The topic is binary search. The input of binary search we have to pass is nothing but ascending order elements. That is, elements should be in increasing order we have to pass. Next one, what is the definition of searching is nothing but you can see here. To identify or finding a particular record is nothing but a searching is the point we have to use. Next one, the input for the searching is nothing but we have to pass the element in a sorting order is the second point. Next one, searching is divided into two types, that is nothing but linear search or sequential search. Second one is nothing but a binary search. The diagrammatic representation of binary search is nothing but you can see here. The diagrammatic representation. The list of elements is nothing but we have passed. The list of elements is nothing but 10 elements we have passed. 10 elements is nothing but you can see here 0th index is 2 1 2 3 4 so on you can see here 2 5 8 12 16 23 38 56 72 and 91 we are passing the elements. Next one, we have to find out the mid value. How to find out the mid value is nothing but starting index is nothing but a low value, last index is nothing but a that is high value. Next one, lowest index mid value we have to find out is nothing but low plus high by 2, that is 0 plus 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. 4.5 is nothing but mid value will be that is 14, that is mid value m equal to 4 is nothing but the value is nothing but 16. First here you can see here the diagrammatic representation we have passed the values is nothing but 10 values we have passed. The index starting with 0, last index is nothing but 9, that is 0 plus 9 by 2, that is 4 by 4.5, that is middle value is nothing but a 4. Next one, mid value equal to 4. Next one you can see here when compared to that is mid value is nothing but a 16 is the mid value. Here you can see here L equal to 0, that is in the second diagrammatic representation low value is nothing but 0, high value is nothing but as usual last position, mid value equal to low plus high by 2, that is 4 is the mid value. Next, when compared to 23, 16 is the least element. Then we have to traverse in the left sublist or right sublist is nothing but left sublist we will be having the least element, and right side we are having the greater elements, that is 16 greater than values will be at the right side. When compared to 23 16 value, that is 60 23 will be the greater value, that's why we have to pass the element in the right side. Next one you can see here again the list will be divided, that is leftmost element is nothing but that is 5 is nothing but leftmost in the third diagrammatic representation. L value is nothing but 5, high value is nothing but 9. Next one, mid value we have to find out. The mid value is nothing but you can see here low plus high by 2. Low plus high by 2 is nothing but 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is nothing but 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is nothing but you can see here middle value is nothing but 7 is the middle value. Next, middle value is nothing but 56. 56 when compared to 23, 56 is the greater value, that's why we have to pass the element in the left sublist, that is nothing but you can see here, that is again you can see here mid value we are calculating, that is L value is nothing but that is L value is nothing but you can see here 5, H value is nothing but you can see here 6, that is again we have to calculate the mid value in the fourth diagram. You can see here in the fourth diagram, that is least value is that is low value is nothing but occupying fifth position in two values 23. L value is least value is nothing but 23, high value is nothing but 38. We have to find out the mid value low plus high by 2, that is 5 plus 6 by 2, that is 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5, that is mid value is nothing but 5. That is if you compare the element with the 23, 23 equal to 23, that is both are identical, then it will generate the output as element found at which position. First one you can see here first diagrammatic representation is the elements we are passing, the first array we are passing. Next one is nothing but in the second half, that is second diagram you can see here mid element, that is low plus I by 2 is nothing but 0 plus 9 by 2, that is nothing but 4.5. 4.5, that is middle element is first is nothing but middle element is nothing but 4. Next middle element is nothing but 16. When compared to 23, 16 element is nothing but that is least element, that's why we have to pass the element in the right side sublist. Next in the right side the least element is nothing but 5 is the least element. Next one, highest element is nothing but the last position, that is high element is nothing but the last position, that is 91. That is low plus I by 2 is nothing but 5 plus 9 by 2, that is 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is nothing but 7. Middle element is nothing but 7. Next one 56 and 23 is compared, that is 23 is least element, that's why we have to pass in the left sublist. Next one, in the left sublist we are having only two elements, that is nothing but 23 and 38. Next, low position is occupying, that is fifth position. High value position is nothing but sixth position. Low position is nothing but 5 plus, next one high position is nothing but 6. That is low plus I by 2 is nothing but 5 plus 6 by 2. That is 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5. 5 is nothing but, you can see here, m equal to 5. Next one, it is the comparison with the element, that is 23. Next, both the elements are identical, then element has been searched. Next you can see here, next to another diagrammatic representation. Here low value is nothing but 20, that is 0th index. Next last value is nothing but, you can see here, last value is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements, that is 6 elements we are passing. Index will always start with 0, then we are having index with 5. Next one, you can see here, we have to find out the middle element. Middle element is nothing but 0 plus 5 by 2, that is 2.5, that is 2. 2 is nothing but middle element, 0, 1, 2. 2 is nothing but middle element, that is 40 is nothing but a middle element. Next, we have to find out which element, 78. 78 is nothing but, when compared to 43 is least element, we have to pass in the right sublist. Next one, low element is nothing but, you can see here in the light element, that is 57, 66 and 78. 57 is nothing but, you can see here, least element 0. Last element is nothing but 78, that is high value, that is nothing but 3 plus 5 by 2, that is 8. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. 4 is nothing but, you can see here, 66 is nothing but a middle element. 66, then compared with that is the element 78, 66 is the least element. Next we have to pass in the right side. Right side is nothing but, then we have to find out the middle element. Middle element is nothing but low element and right, that is high element will be occupying the same position. Next one, the value is nothing but in the middle we are placing the element 73. 73 is compared with 73, both the elements are identical, then it will generate output as, that is the position will be generating as a output. Next one, you can see here, in the binary search directly we can use, that is for sorting the list, directly we can use array.sort, predefined procedure for to sort the element. Next one, you can see here, next one is in the binary search, what is the search element. Binary search is used to search a key element from a multiple values. When compared to linear search, binary search will be generating the output in a faster manner. Next one, the input to be passed in a ascending order. Next one, you can see here, predefined position array.sort, that is directly we can sort the element in a sorting order, it will be generating. Next one, the procedure of binary search, you can see here. Next one is nothing but, we are static, we are passing the element, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one, key element is nothing but 30 we are passing. Next one, you can see here, last element is nothing but arr dot length minus 1 is nothing but arr dot length, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is, that is you can see here, arr dot length is nothing but 5. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4 will be stored in the last position. Next, input, that is parameter we are passing for binary search is nothing but arr is nothing but array, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will be passed. 0 is nothing but starting index. Last index is nothing but, you can see here, last index is nothing but 5 minus 1, last is nothing but 4. Key value is nothing but, you can see here, 30 will be generating. That is the meaning. You can see here, arr is nothing but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next, 0 is nothing but starting position. Last is nothing but, you can see here, arr dot length is nothing but 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. Key value is nothing but 30. It will be passed to the argument for the binary search. Here you can see here, public static void binary search. Array is nothing but 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one, first is nothing but 0. Last is nothing but 4. But key element we have to search is nothing but, which element we have to search, that is 30. Next one, mid value is nothing but first plus last by 2. First plus last is nothing but 0 plus 4 by 2, that is 2. 2, that is, here you can see here, check, we are checking the condition, that is first less than or equal to last, that is 0 less than or equal to 4, condition is true. If condition, you can see here, arr of mid, arr of mid is nothing but 30, less than 30, that is condition is true, false. Next one, you can see here, it will be jumped to else case, that is ARR of mid. ARR of mid is nothing but, you can see here, the element ARR of mid is nothing but 30. 30 equal to key is nothing but 30, both are identical. Then it will generate the output as, you can see here, element is found at index, that is each index is nothing but middle is nothing but, you can see here, the position 2. It will be generating the output as element found at index 2, will be generating as a output for this one in the binary search procedure.